Management of deep carious lesion is considered one of the most important topics in pediatric dentistry. How to diagnose the case, how to choose the proper line of treatment of the different line of treatments that we have. Caries removing, stepwise excavation, indirect pulp treatment, direct pulp treatment, pulpotomies, or even pulpectomies or extraction. How to choose the proper line of treatment for my patient. All these topics and much more will be discussed during our lectures. I'm Dr. Sarah Shafi, and this is SBC Online Academy.